Hello, it's Markham Torchwood here from Markham 3D, and today we're going to be testing Breckles Pro 2, Breckles Phase 2, and kind of mashing them together and see what we can come up with. Now I'm using CG Cookie's Flexi Rig, which is probably like 7 years old now, but this is still my favorite rig. I'll also be using a little bit of AutoRigPro as well. That's in the link. All these links will be in the description below, but here you can quickly see the things that I've come up with and how I've quickly been able to produce some work. It's not 100%, but this was more of just a test of see what the capabilities are and how I go about joining everything. This first section is nothing but motion capture from Breckle. Here's a live tip. If you've ever wanted something, you need to do something that you've never done. Stab a guy, steal his boat. This section is me tidying up the animation a little bit, moving the head and just fixing up the hands a little bit. Here's a live tip. If you've ever wanted something, you need to do something that you've never done. Stab a guy, steal his boat. This bit here is where I'm actually putting in the phonemes that come with the rig. Here's a live tip. If you've ever wanted something, you need to do something that you've never done. Stab a guy, steal his boat.